Class 9 children. So today again I have come with a new question from chapter 13, circle. So let us begin. A chord distant 2 centimeter from the center of a circle is 18 centimeter. So there is a chord which is at a distance of 2 centimeter from the center. So here I have drawn a diagram. So here the chord name I have kept as AB, as it is 18 centimeter long. So any line coming from the center, it bisects the chord equally. So 18 I made 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter. As its distance from the center is 2 centimeter, so from the center to this chord the distance I have mentioned as 2 centimeter. Now next, calculate the length of a chord of the same circle which is 6 centimeter distant from the center. So you have to find the length of second chord, another chord, but its distance from the center is 6 centimeter. So what I did, the second chord I made on the other side, and its name I have kept as CD. And as you all know, from the center its distance is 6 centimeter. So I have written 6 centimeter for this particular part, from the center to the second chord. Now you have to find the chord CD. Now what the technique for this question, you just see. So length of the first chord is AB, and AB is 18 centimeter, and length of the second chord is CD, which is unknown to us. You have to find the length of CD. So very easy children, you can see here there are two triangles. One triangle is OAY, this is Y, and second triangle is OCX, this is second triangle. So in this triangle what we will do, with the help of 9 and 2 we will find OA. OA is the radius of circle. Whatever will be the value of OA, same will be the value of OC. Why? Because OC also is the radius. So both the radius are equal. So whatever will be the value of OA, same will be the value of OC. So once I will know OC and OX, that is with these two value, I will find CX. And if I double CX, then it will be the length of CD. That is our answer. So let us begin. In triangle AOY, hypotenuse, that means we are going to find radius. Radius is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is P square plus B square root over. As hypotenuse is OA, OA equal to, as perpendicular is 2, 2 square plus base is 9, 9 square root over 4 plus 81 root over, that is root over 85. As we cannot take out root over 85, so I wrote the same root over 85 centimeter. Now I will take second triangle, that is OCX. So in triangle OCX, hypotenuse, OC is hypotenuse and OC value is equal to OA. Whatever is OA, OC is same, because they are the radius of same circle. So as OA is root 85, so OC also will be root 85. And perpendicular, here you can say OX. OX is perpendicular and which is 6 centimeter. Now we will find base CX. So base formula is hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square root over. Base is CX. You can see here root over 85 root over square. 85 root over square means the value of hypotenuse is root over 85. So write root over as well as whole square minus P, perpendicular is OX, OX is 6 square, and overall root is also there. So one root is for value and one root is of the formula. Now as you all know, whenever we have root inside and there is outside square, square and root vanishes. You need not multiply 85 two times, but what you do, remove the root over and square, then we have only 85 here, and 6 square you need to write 36, because there is no root here, so 36. So 85 minus 36 is root 49. Root 49 is 7. So now you can say CX, that is base, is 7. So this is 7, then the other part also will be 7. 7 plus 7 will be 14. 14 will be the length of CD, and that is the second chord. So length of second chord is CD. CD will be 7 plus 7 equal to 14 centimeter. So very easy and very technical question, children. So please do this question, write in your copy. Thank you, children.